Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a waterfall braid, and my hair was a little bit dirty, so I used some dry shampoo all over the roots and then used my hands and a brush just to get it in and to brush away any kind of white bits that might be seen. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So let's get straight into it. So part your hair on the side you want it, get a section of hair and break it into three. So as you do a normal braid, bring one bit over the left and then over the right, but then the bit in the bottom you want to drop, and instead of adding more hair you want to create a new section of hair to bring up. So let's repeat this again. So you want to go over as normal with normal braid, and instead of adding in a bit of hair as like a French braid, you want to drop it and then create a new section of hair to bring up. So again, you just want to repeat, and I did this in real time and as slow as I could so that you could really see the effect of what I was doing. So you're just going to be dropping and picking up a new piece of hair, and this does take a little bit of skill, but if you know how to do a French braid, then this braid is super easy to do. I promise you, you just need to try it once or twice and then you'll get the exact effect of it. So then all I did at the very end was I just did a normal braid the whole way down. But I recommend you just watch this video 3 times, even just the first minute of this video, just watch it 3 times and then you will really get how to do this. I am going to do some more waterfall cool looking braids, but I just wanted to do this first so that everyone could have a proper go. Also, excuse the brow moment, it's just quarantine's really got to me in my brows. My poor brows, I don't know what hit them. I used to get them done every 6 weeks religiously, and now it's just like I haven't got them done in like 3 months. So yeah, excuse that. But then you just want to fluff out the braid a little just to give it a little bit of volume, but you don't want to pull any of the other bits out. And then you can use your hair, whether it's curly, whether it's straight. This is one of them hairstyles that are good for a quick go on the go look, where you want your hair a bit off your face but still in it. And then these are cute, just little flowers. I like to put it one side to just give my hair that little bit of a fun look on the other side, because the other side can be a little bit basic. Sometimes I would do 2 waterfall braids, one on either side, but for me, I just thought that it's better off just to do it on one side for the video, just to show you, and we will get more complex as the month goes on. I'm just thinking for this month to just kind of keep all the videos a little bit basic and straightforward, and then next month maybe we can do a daily video that's a little bit more drastic. This is also Body Shop lip stain, and it's so nice, so pretty. It actually comes up a lot more pink on camera than in person. It's a lot more red. But yeah, that's the whole tutorial. Really quick, really easy, really simple. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for clicking in. I really appreciate it. Smash the subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Mwah.